family, check it out. The out here in the night, I see them up there, so, But me look, me see a strange like a light come up in the sky. And I show off some different color light, but me I look good on it and one of them when me zoom it in. The thing, me I try zoom it in, but it disappear. So I come under the tree them now and I hide and I watch up in the sky because some strange object are flying at the night. Yeah. You see me? Yo, something I got me at the ending of coming up, I tell you, say, yo, the thing we are flying at the ear big like a drone. Big like big ball like the car. Yo, see it again.
What the fuck is happening?
Yo, that look a weird dog, man. I wonder if I'm alone I see this in the night I know. Yo, as a spaceship or something, you know, I wonder if I hear them at talk about say them say some drone. You know, so Jamaica it come here now, watch you guys. When I see it, see the moon right in the corner they say, you know. But what them something they did so watch it, bumbo clot. Yo, I gotta come in. Yo, bumbo clot. Yo, me I go in at the end of time. Watch it come down near, bumbo clot. Yo. Watch it come down. Watch it. Where the bumbo cleat this oh God in this world? No sir. World come. Yo, me I go in, you know. Guys, man. Them thing are strange. Yo.
Well, people, there you have it. You see the proof and the evidence. Say a man sighted a strange object last night in the sky. Look like a UFO for true, but RT Boss, I tell you.
Big up Foot Hype. I always call him up and down. Big up Foot Hype. But let me tell you something. I did tell you that alien coming to the Earth 22, 23. I remember one comment he said to me, say, but in there already. And I was so hype. I said, true. No, you me at that big dirty man. Boy, I trick people about alien there, you know, big one. And I said, damn. People get, hey, you know, so sometimes I don't know bad no backside. But then I go like me feel away. And people call me and I say, alien come, let me ask you something now. How much people when me tell say alien come out and cuss me and tell me say I'm the only blood clot alien. And me say, well, me I send for my generation. Don't you see? Listen to me. Don't worry yourself, them not come yet. They are on their way. Let me tell you what going on here. You see this man here, you see what going on? Let me tell you. There's a war. Let me get it in the right way. There's a war going on the alien race. There's a war going on the alien race, so the alien race, they might look refugee. You see, like when they might fight war and people are refugee. So there's a war in the alien race, so the alien race, they might look somewhere to go. So right now, the way how the war look now, the whole of the shit them are in the sky now. I try find somewhere for that now. So bear in mind now. Anyway, the alien them, they can't go back. Problem over there, so they might look somewhere. So uno move up. You have visitor, you have neighbor. Move on the blood clot up and down like uno on the world. Yeah. God always tell you, say, He's the mighty Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. God tell you, say, you have power, you have dominion. God tell you, say, if you serve Him, move over to blood clot and get neighbor. No longer when you live your hand and not listen to God. Now God is going to send some big blood clot reptilian, talapilian. I don't know how I'm going to do it, you know. But one thing I can tell you though is, them tell you say name alien, but it's not a blood clot alien, are the same Nephilium. Nephilium or Nepozone. Every time I say Nephilium, I say Nepozone gel, you know, because two of them are the same thing. Do you remember in the Bible they tell you about Nephilium? Alright, I can't pronounce the word, but you know about Nepozone? Okay, pronounce the proper word. These call them alien. Let me explain something here real quick. In the book of Enoch and in other Bibles out there, because there's only one Bible you know, it shows that the Nephilians were living here before us, which is there are gods, there is a they are, what do you call it? We don't call them alien, but they are angel in a body form, powerful being. And The mistake mankind make, and you don't need to understand if you read a lot. These are certain books out there, it's not in the Bible. The mistake mankind make, should I say the mistake that, no, me say so now with the Bible, I say out there, no, so that, you know, when me just put it out there, listen to me now, the mistake way, not me. So, So the mistake was, when send them, to slew them and kill them off, and bound the land, and like Bermuda Triangle, where you see no plane can go there, nothing can go over, everything, whatever. So they used to come down and them have sex with human, and God sent him angel and kill them and destroy them. They were same. Listen now. You see in the book of Enoch, though are the Nephilians, why the angel marched down at Sodom and Gomorrah. And that is what I tell you, a whole heap of things we need to know. Not problem in the body, man. But Sodom and Gomorrah was destroyed because of the Nephilians. But the man didn't tell us that Sodom and Gomorrah destroyed because man a fuck man. But Sodom and Gomorrah destroyed because the Nephilians then bring in sodomite and all of them something. But here the part where get wrong now. When the Nephilians then dead and leave the body, that's where you have the vices come. That's where the demons come in. The mistake is when them dead. When I analyze everything, I better the Nephilian was still alive. Because when they were alive, them wicked, them nyam after people, them take them up, throw them in their mouth, do all sort of sitting, because the people them little bit. So them nyam them. But when they die now, them become more powerful. And the spirit start making noise amongst the flesh. So you know, that is why if you understand the Nephilians, if you understand, because you have one, like I say, each one of them have different title. So it's like, you know, as a mortal man, you will hear different negative voice in your head that tell you what to do and a program you. In the book of Enoch and other books out there, it is telling you that it's the Nephilians, them or how you pronounce them, because they are on the underworld and they are trying to communicate and them have a problem with mankind. So what them do, them use. Now remember now, you know, God send them over, so bound them. So what them do is communicate with us. Try to connect with us by give us negative thoughts, give us negative behavior, just because them want we dead. So when people, cut story short, many a time you see a man kill people and all of them something there because he's under the Nephilian realms. We don't know the word, right? Under them realms. So we them don't even know what them do because the spirit where them listen, put them under a spell. Go back in that church language now. Your church language say you possess. Or there's a spirit there by you, or there's a spirit there by your life. But either way, spirit possess a person, say blood clot, I same thing though, when they break it up, right? We break it up. But Pastor now say Nephilian, blah, blah, blah. But him say there's a spirit there by your life. This, that, this, that. That's the same spirit. You see, because you don't read about them that much to realize that those are angels who come down, come fuck off people and violate God. Cast all negativity on this face of this earth today. Alright, make we move on. So I wanna get that. We don't love them topic here. Alright, moving on. So what I see for 2024 is more like, to be honest, is there be more chaos in America, chaos in every era. And I wanna highlight something. When Donald Trump become all right, let me explain something to you. Because this is what I want you to know. I want to paint a picture here. Because of the fight and everything what they do Donald Trump now. In the election, Donald Trump is approaching the...
So bless upon yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Until next time again.